Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to move money from PayPal to your bank instantly? Follow these simple steps to complete your transfer quickly. First of all, open PayPal and tap your balance. Launch the PayPal app on your mobile device. At the top of the screen, tap on your PayPal balance. Scroll to the bottom of the page and tap transfer under the more options header. Now tap transfer to bank. This is usually the first option and is represented by two arrows pointing in opposite directions. Review the amount you wish to transfer. You have two options. Instant transfer sends funds to your bank account immediately for a small fee. The fee amount will be displayed when you select this option. And standard transfer, a free transfer that takes a bit longer. Transfers made after 7 p.m. or on weekends and holidays may take slightly longer to process. By default, all available funds are included in the transfer. Tap the pencil icon to enter a custom amount if needed. If the correct bank account is not already selected, tap Change and choose the appropriate one. If your bank is not linked yet, you will need to add it before proceeding. At the bottom of the screen, tap Transfer Now. This will initiate the transfer of your funds to the selected bank account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.